Good morning, my little ones. Today I'm here to give you the solution of the worksheet I gave you for the practice work. But before that, let's do the revision. So you have learnt alphabet A, B, C, D, E and F, right? So now we will do an interesting activity. So let's start the activity. For this activity, I have different bowls labeled with different alphabet. First, let's see the alphabet. Mama A, baby A. Mama B, baby B. Mama C, baby C. Mama D, baby D. Mama E, baby E. And Mama F, baby F. Now, I have different pictures related to different alphabet. So, we have to pick one by one and put it in the appropriate bowl. Okay, let's start. What is this? A flower. Yes, F for flower. So, we have to put it in the bowl of alphabet F. So, check. Is this F? No. Is this F? No. Here, yes. So we will put it in this bowl. Let's see the next picture. What is this? Cake. Yummy, yummy cake. C for cake. So now let's search alphabet C. Where it is? Yes. This is C. So we will put it in this bowl. Now let's see the next picture. What is this? Butterfly. B for butterfly. So where is the bowl of alphabet B? Here. Yes, so we will put it in that bowl. Now next picture is of an X. A for X. So we will put it here. Next picture is of engine. E for engine. So where is the alphabet E? Here. So we will put it in this bowl. Next picture is of a cow. C for cow. So we will put it in this bowl. Next picture is of an apple. A for apple. So we will put it in this bowl. Next picture is of a fan. F for fan. So again we have to find alphabet F here. So we will put it in this bowl. Next picture is of a bike. B for bike. So we will put it in this bowl. Next is a boat. B for boat. So again in alphabet B bowl. Next picture is of an ant. A for ant. So we will put it here. Next picture is of a dog. D for dog. So we will put it in the alphabet D bowl. Next picture is of a bus. B for bus. So we will put it here. Next picture is of a car. C for car. So we will put it here. Next picture is of a duck. Duck says quack quack. D for duck. So we will put it in this bowl. Next picture is of an eye. E for eye. So we will put it in this bowl. And the last picture is of a flag. So we will put it in the alphabet F bowl. Lovely. So kids, I'm sure you all have enjoyed the activity. Now let's see the solution of the worksheet. Look at my worksheet, children. I have colored the picture of fish with orange and pink color. I hope you all have done it very nicely using your favorite colors. Okay kids, bye bye for today. I will see you soon. Till then, take care.